Hello! Today is Friday, the 7th of March. It's day 5 of my trip. This morning I was in Le Mans and now I'm in Tours. So this morning I'm leaving the accommodation in Le Mans. Alright, goodbye apartment. Hey. Ten. My train is at 12:44, so I have a bit of time. I'm going to walk a little bit there on this little island. I want to walk along the river, La Sarthe, but this time slightly towards the south as it's closer to the train station. Okay, so there on the other side, that's the main entrance. I finally reached the train station. I get myself a sandwich while I watch Stephen Colbert on my phone, and then it's time to go. I arrive an hour later in Tours and start exploring a bit of the city center. Gare de Tours. So that's Tours train station. So that is the city hall. I'm really enjoying it. It's cute, peaceful, but also very lively. It's a really animated city center. I also love how neat and beautiful the buildings are. So this is La Tour Charlemagne, so the Charlemagne Tower, which is a remain of the former basilica. And here, that's the Saint-Martin Basilica, so la Basilique Saint-Martin. Palm trees, and I'm back at the city hall. I still have my bag with me, so I keep it short and sweet and head towards my new accommodation. Alright, nearly 4 p.m. I've just arrived at the apartment. That's the front door. I'm on the first floor. And that's how it is. It's basically all in one room. It's far from being fancy, but it's affordable, so that will do for a few days. On that side, there is a view. So that's a car park right now, but on Sunday mornings, it's the marketplace. And there is a bathroom. It's not the greatest apartment, and obviously again it's individuals, not a hotel, but it was something that I could afford. So I think that this is the window above my bed.
This is what autocracy looks like, and it is so much better to fight it now than...
The cat. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Today it was a bit tiring, but that was still really nice. I really enjoy what I've seen off tour. I'm really looking forward to explore it a bit more in the following days. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Bye!